Welcome to today's DIY beauty maintenance routine. Whether you prefer to do it by yourself or seek professionals for help, I believe that this is one of the best ways to boost your self-confidence and your self-love. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I know that you enjoy videos like this. Let's get into this video. Hi, my name is Veronica, and I've had a really long week. I've been feeling a bit tired and low on confidence. But instead of letting those feelings consume me, I decided to take matters into my own hands, literally. I'm very big on DIY treatments and especially acts of self-care. And I know a beauty maintenance routine can do wonders for my mood and confidence. I always start off by lighting a candle to set the mood and intentions for the day. I'm burning this candle by Solar Candle Co., a small business here in Canada. I would usually play some music in the background, but today I decided to let my thoughts flow. I also see this opportunity to let God speak to me and direct my next moves. I launched my first product business on my 29th birthday, December of 2022, as a way to say goodbye to my final chapter as a 20-something year, while intentionally stepping into my purpose as a wife, entrepreneur, and mom to be someday. I recognize that to fulfill the roles well, I need the grace of God to carry me through and direct my path. With a fresh, glowing canvas, I can allow the Holy Spirit to flow and God's words to speak to me. I have carefully selected my beauty routine in this video to touch and give love to my hair with a deep conditioning mask, a bamboo comb, and a steam cap, while also paying attention to my face and giving myself that at-home facial that nobody asked for. I'm in love with the healing properties of aloe vera, so I'm going to be using it as a mask in this video while I prepare for my DIY waxing at home. Are you team self-wax or not? Let me know in the comments. I know it is extremely painful, but you know what they say about beauty. Literally, no pain, no gain. And I'll honestly recommend waxing because it takes forever for the hair to grow back. That is if you're comparing it to other hair removal routines like shaving. How has your week been? Like I said, I had a really long week. I've been in business for 6 months now, and it's such a beautiful thing, but it requires a lot of work that I'm very much prepared for. I just don't like to neglect my day of rest, and which is why I like to capitalize on things like self-care. Can you see how much softer my hair looks right now? Honestly, one of the reasons I started my business was to help women to seek out hair tools that are much better for their hair as well. And normally when you hear about hair, the first thing that comes to your mind is product or extension. But I'm literally standing in that gap to let you know that your tools are just as important. Check the description box below for a link to my bamboo combs. Now I'm fresh off the shower and I'm feeling so much relaxed. I'm ready for bed. I'm just doing my very simple face routine, and I'm just making sure I'm moisturized, and I'm also treating whatever scars and bumps that I have on my face. I'm going to be going in with a blow dryer, but I made sure to put it in a heat protectant spray just so that I'm not damaging my hair. I'm also going to be wrapping my hair for bed just so that when I wake up it's all straight and sleek. Let me know if you enjoyed this video and leave me something nice in the comments below so that I know what to create for you next. Until next time, take care and have a lovely week.